guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, today we are up with a new video, and this new video is all about German conversation, the daily German conversation. Yes guys, you heard it correct. The whole conversation is based on supermarket. Yes guys. This is gonna help you to improve your German. If you are in A1 or A2 or B1, then yes, this kind of daily conversation video will help you definitely, because of course if you are in A1 and A2, then yes, you can see the subtitles, but if you are in B1 or B2, then proper German you will be able to understand. And in case you are not able to understand, then you are doing some mistakes, so please, for particular mistakes correction, we have created the separate video. I will putting link here, the common mistakes which you do while you're studying B1 and B2. So please make sure to watch that. If you are listening me or watching for the very first time, then my name is Gyan. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, 10th class exam preparation, because both are coming. So we are very much in for the proper 10th board examination preparations, the pre-board help, each and everything. German Gyan is a one-stop solution for all your queries. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan, subscribe German Gyan, and let's get into the video. Let's go.
Let's learn daily supermarket conversation with their phrases. So today we are going to learn some useful phrases and vocabulary which you can use when you are at the supermarket. When we enter to the supermarket, we need some vocabulary. For example, for greetings, you can say Hallo, Guten Tag. Then you need shopping cart. So for shopping cart, the word is Einkaufswagen. Then for shopping list, the word is Einkaufszettel. For example, Hallo, haben Sie Einkaufswagen? Means hello, do you have a shopping cart? And the answer which you will get is Ja. Die sind dort drüben means yes, they are over there. Next, when you need some help, so you can say wo finde ich, and then whatever you are finding. For example, wo finde ich Einkaufswagen, or you can say können Sie mir helfen means can you help me. And of course, you need some of the product name. For example, Brot, Milch, Käse, Obst und Gemüse. Now, an example dialogue is Entschuldigung, wo finde ich frisches Obst? And the answer which you will get is Das Obst ist in der Mitte des Ladens. Then when you are at the checkout, then again you need some of the vocabulary, or you should know some of the words. For example, the cash register is known as die Kasse. Then when someone asks, do you want a bag? So they say Möchten Sie eine Tüte? So here tutor means a bag. And then the last and the very important, cash or card. So they will ask bar or der Karte. And an example is Möchten Sie eine Tüte? Then Nein, danke, ich habe meine eigene. And then mit Karte bitte. So this is how you can use some of these vocabulary. Now let's see some of the common expressions and etiquettes that we need while we are at the supermarket. So some polite expressions are bitte, danke, Entschuldigung. And let's say when you are at the crowded space, then you can say Entschuldigung, darf ich mal vorbei? Now some cultural notes and fun facts. The first one is no tipping at supermarket checkouts, means you cannot give tip to someone at the supermarket checkouts. Then recycling and separate bins at the supermarket. So we all know that Germans are very particular about separating their trash and recycle. So yes, this is also one of the point at the supermarket. And then self-checkout culture versus full service.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you are enjoying watching these videos. I hope this conversation video will help you. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.